Three men killed in police operation in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three men are dead following a police operation in Grange Hill, Westmoreland on Monday. Two pistols, a Taurus G pistol and a Browning with ammunition, were allegedly seized in the incident. Reports are that at around 4:30 a.m., the police went on a targeted raid in the community of Tom Lincoln in Grange Hill when the incident took place. It is reported that the three men were shot and injured and they were taken to hospital where they were all pronounced dead. Links 007 TV News understands that one of the three men killed during the alleged confrontation with police in Grange Hill, Westmoreland on Monday had deep ties to the illegal gun for drugs trade in Westmoreland, Jamaica. He has been identified as Odain Baram, otherwise called Budodap or Baram. Baran has been on the police radar since 2017 for his involvement in firearms and narcotics trafficking. The alleged confrontation occurred at approximately 4:30 a.m. on Monday in the Stitchy Lane Top Hill, Lincoln during the police operation. Those killed in the confrontation have so far been identified as Odain Baram, otherwise called Budodap or Baram, a 15-year-old boy identified as Sheldon McCullough, and another man whose identity has not yet been confirmed. Sources said that Baran was a key player in the narcotics drugs guns trade. He reportedly facilitated the movement of weapons from Nicaragua to Jamaica. He was also suspected of supplying firearms to gangs in Westmoreland, Jamaica, a role that placed him on the police radar for years. Sources say that Baram's criminal history began at the age of 17 years old, when he was reportedly groomed into the legal activities. In August 2023, he was charged with the murder of 30-year-old Chantal Chadler Whittingham, otherwise called Pokey, in Brighton District, Little London. At the time of Monday's shooting, he was out on bail for that offense. He also faced charges of shooting with intent and unauthorized possession of a prohibited weapon. Monday morning's incident brings the number of police fatal shootings since the start of the year to 90. The circumstances surrounding the latest killings are now being investigated by the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM). Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have a subsequent report to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.